is another example on conversion of whole numbers in base 9 to base 10. We have to convert 666 base 9 to base 10. Can you solve it? Feel free to pause the video and check for the correct answer at the end of the video. Let's solve. Solution. Six, 6 base 9. Now the first step is to number these digits starting from 0 from the last digit. That is, the last digit will have a numbering of 0 followed by 1, 2. Now we'll simplify. We pick the first digit, which we have as 6, multiply by the base 9, raised to the power of this numbering we have for that first digit, 2, plus, pick the next digit, 6, multiplied by the base 9, raised to the power of 1, the numbering we have, plus the next digit, 6, multiplied by the base 9, raised to the power of 0, the numbering. We simplify further. 6 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 2. What does that mean? 9 raised to the power of 2. That means 9 multiplying itself in 2 places. That is 9 times 9. 1, 2. And 9 times 9 gives us 81. So we have 81 plus 6 multiplied by 9. 9 raised to the power of 1 is 9. Plus 6 multiplied by 9 raised to the power of 0. 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, equals 6 multiplied by 81. We have 486 plus 6 multiplied by 9. We have 54 plus 6 multiplied by 1. We have 6. Now let's add 486 plus 54. That gives us 540 plus 6. We have 546. Base 10. Is it the same answer as what you've gotten?